How to remove Meta AI on Messenger. So first thing first, you should know that you cannot directly remove Meta AI from Messenger because it is a default feature that has been updated on Messenger and Instagram as well. But what else you can do is simply move into Messenger, enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now at the very top, you can see Ask Meta AI or Search. Click on this logo of Meta AI. Now click on the profile of Meta AI. In this page, you can see the option or a feature where it says mute. Tap on mute. Set according to your need. Let me set it on until I change it. The Meta AI conversation has been muted. Now you will not receive any of the notifications from Meta AI until you unmute it yourself. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.